Hey, folks, welcome to Money in Politics. We've got some big news coming out tonight, and we'll get that to you in just one moment. But first, let me remind you of the disclaimer that I am not a financial planner. You can look at that, nor a registered broker. But we got some big news, and I'm just coming to you tonight, and I'm sure I'm not the first one to tell you. And by the way, let me give you a quick shout out to my man Russell in Connecticut, who wanted to make sure that I had heard the news, and it's something we've all been waiting for. And here it is from George Sharp, I'm sorry. Ring out the bells and let the banners fly. FINRA will process TSNP's corporate actions on Friday. And so we are finally going to have what we've been waiting for on the action of the stock symbol. Humbl stock symbol will go from TSNP to HMBL. I am going to read between the lines here. I don't know that that's going to happen, the change of the symbol on Friday. But if FINRA is doing the paperwork on Friday, it all depends how you interpret George's comment here. It may mean that it will be Monday before we get the change in the stock symbol. And, that's by itself, and I don't mean to put a damper on it. I think people are very excited about this. By itself, it's not a change in, money coming in the door. But I think it'll add to the enthusiasm for the stock, which has probably been dampened a bit because of the stock action that we've had, not just today as I tape this on the 24th, but also here's a 5-day chart. And it's, not been a real fun ride over the last 5 days. Kind of a slow decline. The action today, by the way, here on the 24th, was this is the 1-day chart. Undramatic. It went up and kind of tread water, bouncing around by a couple of cents, and ended as we see there at 91, just about 92 cents. So. Not a whole lot of more news to add today, but it goes to show, I think, the thing that this company is what we all know, and the fact that we're now going to have our own identifiable Humbl stock symbol is testament to how new it is that we've been trading under the old stock symbol. And so for all those people who are wondering why it's taken so long to get this, that, and the other thing done, I'm just trying to say, as I've said before so many times, folks, we're just beginning this process. And this is one more step in that process of creating Humbl as a worldwide presence and putting the stock symbol up. So hooray, hooray, hooray. Good news for Humbl Nation. And again, thanks, Russell, for making sure that I got it, and he asked if I would shout out to him in Connecticut, and I'm doing that. And so that's pretty much it. See if we can bring that up again. George Sharp, straight out, ring out the bells. Ring out the bells, folks. We are going to have Humbl finally get its own symbol, and that's good news indeed. So I have to travel on business as I tape this tomorrow on the 25th. We're doing a series of interviews with congressional candidates, or gubernatorial candidates, I should say. And so that will lock me up for a good part, if not the entirety of Wednesday. So I'll leave it at that. But I wanted to bring this to your attention. And again, thanks to you all for writing. Give me a comment on what you think about this. If you're excited, if you're not excited, hopefully you're all excited. I don't know where the price will be going. when this happens, and I even don't know if it's going to actually be active, this new symbol, on Friday, or if we'll have to wait till next week. But either way, more progress on the way. Thanks as always, folks, for joining me, and we'll see you soon.